For EQ, we created a very specific and very progressive design language, staging and expressing electric driving and digitality, and turning it into a specific experience. Seamless, first of all, means that the car is very well connected. Connected within the car, between the passengers, and off-board via digital devices up to your smart home. That means the customer dives into his personal digital world. And that basic idea of seamlessness is now transferred into a design language in the exterior, in the interior, and in the digital design. That means everything is floating into each other. The digitality does not anymore take place only in one screen, but it flows into the interior. That means that digital signals flow around to the place where I need them. And for example, here we see a digital rain where digital signals come through the ladder, and that really shows how the physical interior and the digital design really merge into each other seamlessly. The idea of digital and seamless design is also transferred to the exterior. Here it means, for example, that we don't have a classical radiator grille anymore, but a kind of digital panel floating directly into the headlamps seamlessly.